What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel Flow to Rich Trade. Today we're going to take a look at the market, specifically SPY, and look at its TA and determine where it's headed. And then after that, we're going to then take a look at its sectors. These are the sectors in which that influence SPY. We're going to take a look at what they're doing and what they're signaling for SPY. Once we get the whole picture, then we're going to lock in a decision for swing trading for the next 7 days. So with that all said, let us begin here. What we're looking at right now is SPY TA. Right here, this green line is a 66-day moving average, and the whole timeline that I'm currently looking at is just 6 months. That's all I need to see to determine a trend. All right, cool. The idea is simply what? If we're above the 66-day moving average, bullish. If we're below it, bearish. Simple as that. So my goal is to take a look at a change of direction. Take a look at a change of direction and then determine a decision. That's it. I trade a change of direction, right? We had a change of direction here. I'll take a put right there. Funny money, right? You have a change of direction here from down here. You close above it. On this trade, you'll take a call. Funny money. Literally that, right? You can just simply trade that without looking at all of its sectors, or you can look at this and look at the sectors as well to boost your confidence, to boost your interpretation of your TA. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to combine the two. So let's lock in real quick. Right now, SPY overall bullish past 6 months. For whatever the reason, on this date here, it did a major change of direction. Chill like that. Cool. And then all of a sudden, it kept going up, it kept going down. So this whole situation here, indecision and cautious. So these next few days, SPY will make a decision. And that's our goal, is to find out where will that decision be. Right? That's what we're trying to determine. Right now, SPY today, the market is just about to open. Right now, we're really well above the 66-day moving average. Will the end of the day today close above the 66-day moving average? If so, opportunity for a call, of course. Chill like that, right? So with that all said, now let's take a look at SPY's sectors and to see what they are signaling for SPY. First, we're going to start with XLK, which is tech. Tech has about 33% of influence on SPY, so its movement is pretty important. So let's see what tech is communicating or signaling for SPY. All right, cool. Oh wow. All right, they're looking at the TA alone. They're pretty much similar, which kind of makes sense. 33% influence is, you kind of get a similarity here, right? We're kind of seeing some similarity here. What's going on, right? Right now, tech, it's currently as of yesterday, we're below the 66-day moving average. This morning before the market's just opening, and we're really doing well. We're really doing well here, right? The question is now is today's close going to close above the 66-day moving average for tech? If that happens, it will definitely boost SPY. Of course it will boost SPY. So that's what we're seeing. Now let's take a look at the next influence. The next major influence of SPY is finance. Let's take a look at finance here. All right. Overall bullish. And then of course here, coming right back down to the below the 66 MA and just kind of, experiencing this and coming right back up. So right now, currently, as of right now, in the past 2 days, we're bullish on on finance, changing the direction here from going down to now going back up. So there is a good level of, support that is adding to SPY, and hence why SPY is not going all the way down, just maintaining down, but rather coming right back up. So there's a greater level of support that financial sector is holding SPY. Now let's take a look at the next major influence, and that is consumer discretionary. Wow. So consumer discretionary is showing resilience. I mean, we've been bullish. This sector has been quite bullish, coming right back down to the 66 MA and moving right back up. So there's a resilience that's going on right now, and that is also supported. So we got these two supporting SPY from going all the way down. But ultimately, we got this right here, tech, that has the major weight that would ultimately decide a direction. That would ultimately, sway. You know what I mean? Sway. So right now, what these two are doing right now, they're supporting SPY, like this, right? So now, tech will determine. If tech leans this way, we're going down. If tech leans that way, we're going up. I mean, it's just, so we're gonna need to see where tech does ultimately, right? So now, what's our decision here? Our decision is quite simple. Today, Friday, 2 hours before the market close, I'm going to come back and take a look at where likely in the next 2 hours that tech is going to close above or below the 6 SMA. If 2 hours before the market close and tech is way above here, indicating that we're likely going to have a close above the 6-day moving average, I'm going to go ahead and take a call. That's what I'm going to do. Guess what that means? If tech closes above the 6-day moving average, that will already mean that SPY will do exactly that as well. The SPY will also close above the 6-day moving average, and thus creating that change of direction from here to up here. That's my trading decision today. I combined the two interpretation, the two pictures, right? If I just look at specifically and only on TA, which is what? A change of direction occurs. For example, this right here on today, if we get a close today above the 6-day moving average, on Monday I take a call. We have a change of direction, right? So now, if I just look at only TA, I'll make that decision. But of course, I don't want to only do TA. I also want to get the whole story. And based on the whole story, I'm going to have to look at, tech and wait for tech to close above here to just maintain that momentum push along with these two. These two are providing support for SPY, and I want TA to align. I want tech to align with that, with this push that they're doing. I don't want tech to go against their push, their support. Chill like that. And that's my trade for today. And that's the trade I'm going to be taking. So what's your thoughts on this? Put in the comment section. Will SPY trade above the 6-day moving average? Will tech join that push? We'll see. Or are we going to continue having this indecision? Or number 3, am I missing something? So with that all said, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.